Hi, my beautiful people, how are you? Welcome to Terrific Astro. This is me, Pooja Lekha. Today's spread is about relationship potential. Think of a person that can be your husband, your boyfriend, your ex, maybe, or any relationship with your friends, any with your any family member, right? So you can see there are 4 piles: number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, think of a person, and then choose the card you want to check. For 2%, for 3%, accordingly check the pile, right? For 3% you can choose 3 different piles. So take a minute, pause the video, think of the pile, think of the person, right? And now we will start with the read. This is number let's see, for number 1, Judgment, Knight of Wands, and again Knight. Be brave and honest. So judgment card says about awakening, about enlightenment. Maybe you have you are this is the time where you are feeling like coming out of some dark phase of your life, and obviously during that dark phase maybe you spent so much rough relationship with that person, and now you have learned a lesson of acknowledging good things, showing your gratitudes. Do not expect so much from the relationship, from any relationship that may be, and this is the time where you want to revive your relationship, because you know the importance, you know how valuable or precious that relationship is for you, and now you want to carry this relationship again with new passion, with new energy, and you want to bring lot of energy or a lot of new things. Maybe you want to plan a trip with this person to rejuvenate yourself, or to get more deeper in this relationship with new aspect. And your guidance card says, can I be brave and honest? Now whatever you have faced in your past, now be honest with your relationship, be honest, be kind, be compassionate, right? So this is the guidance for you, and this is for pile number 1. So next, for pile number 2, Wheel of Fortune, 2 of Wands, and Great Teacher, learn from spiritual experiences. Okay, Wheel of Fortune card says कि something is so this is the wheel is always rotating, right? So always turning up, upside, up, down. So means your relationship is not like goody goody, but you have so much up and down in your relationship. But now I think this time your relationship will take a turn on the positive side, or maybe some relationship maybe from abroad you are, or but now you are ready to take your relationship to next level. Maybe you have dated someone, and now you are ready for new you are ready to tie a knot, or you are planning a trip to abroad just to more strengthen your relationship. And your guidance card says, great teacher, learn from the spiritual experiences. Okay, this is the time of spiritual learn from maybe you are doing some spiritual practices, you are learning so many things, you are gaining so many things, and this is the time now apply those experiences to strengthen your relationship that you are already planning to do, or maybe you are dating someone who is living abroad, and there may be some chances of meeting that person. Spiritual experiences also say sometimes ki have patience, wheel is turning to your side, to your favorable side, and you have to decide for your future. This is the time to take a solid decision for your future. Okay, for pile number 3, 6 of Swords, Page of Pentacles, Mirror Guardian, take time to reflect. Okay, six of Swords says ki things were not calm at your side earlier. Things were not so calm. They were like some arguments, disagreements on the thing, but now the situation will change, and things will go to some better side, more calm, more peace I can see at your side, and you both are moving from this struggling phase to better or calming zone. And Page of Pentacles says ki whatever you have learned from these challenges, now you will apply your relationship to grow it further, to grow in a more healthy way. And now you want to take care of this relationship in a much better way, and this person is looking at its pentacle. Means this now someone of you want the solid relationship, and you want to take care of your relationship at a much mature way, I can say. Mirror Guardian says take time to reflect. Okay, during this phase now, when you were facing so much challenge in your relationship, you learned so many things. Maybe you have learned how to deal with the person, how to respect a person, and now this all these things which you have learned during this struggling phase, now this will reflect in your behavior. And obviously what you have learned is now reflecting in your behavior. It will definitely strengthen your relationship. And this card also says that something is growing. See, look at the, I don't know, for someone, when I saw this card, I get the feeling of a baby. Maybe for someone, you are expecting a baby, a new member in your family also, and now you are ready to nurture it. Let's start with pile number 4. Let's see the Emperor, Queen of Pentacles, and the Summer. Okay, Emperor and Queen of Pentacles, both cards says that this relationship is very strong, very deep rooted. One of you is very strict, very punctual, very disciplined, very demanding in this relationship, and but this person is very responsible. Maybe little less emotions. With little less emotion, this person is not that emotional person, but this person is very caring and very responsible towards its family. And the Queen of Pentacles is obviously, one is Emperor and another is Queen. It's I can sense this is a very powerful couple. Emperor is very ready to do any task, very responsible, and this lady is, this Queen of Pentacles is very caring, very nurturing, very down to earth person, and she knows how to maintain a balance at his workplace or at his home, and she is very caring. She is not that emotional. This lady is a balanced one. This is not emotional, and but I think this is the coordination between them is very much strong, that everything will go so flawless in their relationship. Maybe sometimes one of you expects some care, some emotional connect, but this person is lacking in that sometimes. summer, bask in joy and in light. Summer season, maybe your relationship, you will feel like very joyous time in summers. Okay, this is for pile number 4. Hope you enjoyed this reading. Mention in the comment which pile resonated you the most. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching this video. Namaste.